Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening DevTools and immediately selecting the element you want. Once the element is highlighted, inspect its ID, classes, and attributes. These are the building blocks for a selector. Make sure to note whether the element is within a unique parent or repeated in a list. If there is an ID, that's your fastest path. If not, combine class names or data attributes. Next, copy the element or keep DevTools visible for the following steps. Now construct selectors progressively, starting simple and adding context. Try hash ID first. If none exists, combine tag and class like div, card, or input. Primary. When duplicates appear, include structural clues such as parent-child or nth-child2 to pinpoint the exact node. Test each candidate in the console with document. Query selector and document. Query selector all to see matches. If you need text content, finish by refining the selector for robustness. Choose stable attributes like data asterisk, avoid auto-generated IDs, and limit reliance on visual-only classes. Validate the selector across different pages, screen sizes, and after interactions to ensure it remains valid. If a selector fails, check for dynamic rendering, delayed content, shadow DOM, or framework-specific wrappers that change structure. As a troubleshooting tip, use Mutation Observer or wait for element patterns when content is injected asynchronously. That usually resolves timing-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.